Alright guys, here we go. The reincarnated as a slime crossover should be out. Yeah, there it is. Obviously I'm going to do this multi-summon. Then, if the weapons have been released, I'll do a multi-summon on that as well. Wow, this looks bad. This looks way bad. Oh, this looks bad. Oh, great. Anyways, we're gonna go over to his weapons. Right, let's hope. Two golds. Well, two really rare ones, basically. Hyper rare it should be. Oh yo, we've got Rimura's blade. So not everything's a lost cause. Not bad. Alright, that's decent. That was okay. Anyways, like and subscribe to the channel. I guess that's it. I'll do another one once I've saved up enough stuff